Storyblocks review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're a content creator or marketer, finding high-quality stock media can be a headache, but the Storyblocks app promises an all-in-one solution. But is it worth your time and money? One of the biggest pros is access. Most people get this wrong by assuming stock media apps are limited. With Storyblocks, you get unlimited downloads of royalty-free videos, audio tracks, and images depending on your subscription plan. The app is designed for easy searching, with filters for resolution, category, and licensing type, making it simple to find exactly what you need. Another advantage is convenience. You can preview clips, save favorites, and even manage your downloads directly from your device. Integration with creative tools like Adobe Premiere or After Effects is seamless, allowing you to drop content into projects without extra steps. The app also keeps your library organized, so you can reuse assets efficiently across multiple projects. However, there are cons. Some users report that advanced search options can feel limited compared to the desktop version, making it slightly harder to find niche clips. Certain assets may require a higher tier subscription to access, which could be a downside for budget-conscious creators. Additionally, large downloads can take time on mobile devices, so planning ahead is essential. In conclusion, the Storyblocks app is a powerful tool for creators who need quick access to a massive library of stock media. The surprising truth is that while it streamlines content creation and saves money on licensing fees, heavy users might still prefer the desktop version for more advanced search and bulk downloads. For anyone producing videos, podcasts, or social media content, the app offers convenience and quality, but knowing the subscription limits and planning your workflow ensures you get the most out of it.